Hey there, welcome back to channel. Finally iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max is here. So let's now talk about the new feature and specification. The big changes iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max is built with titanium frame which is more strong and durable and lightweight. In fact, the 15 Pro is 19 grams lighter than the 14 Pro. The 15 Pro actually feels lighter in hand in a real life compared to the last year 14 Pro. That is really a great changes. Next, this has a new action button and it's totally customizable up to 10 functions. Yeah, obviously you can mute your phone, but you can also use it to voice record and also launch the camera or open any app what you want. Then the all iPhone 15 models are coming with the USB Type-C port, but the iPhone 15 Pro using USB Type-C 3 and the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max using Apple latest and greatest processor Apple A17 Bionic chipset, who is the fast 3nm chipset in the industry. It's really very powerful and the CPU is even more capable. A17 chipset actually bringing console gaming for the first time on any smartphone. Some latest and greatest console gaming coming on the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max very soon. Let's talk about the camera. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max come with 48 megapixel camera with some latest and greatest new features. By default take 24 megapixel photos inside of the 12 megapixel. We are actually going to see high resolution without compromising HDR on the image processing. The new periscope zoom lens will be coming for the iPhone 15 Pro Max that is disgusting and disappointing. So you can shoot 5x optical zooms, and here are the full pricing for the entire iPhone lineup that Apple will be selling on their website. We see the same starting price for the iPhone 15 Pro because it doesn't have a 5x telephoto lens, so only the price increase iPhone 15 Pro Max. So that is all about today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.